IHastek Malaysia SDM PhD is a holding subsidiary of Zhengzhou IHastek Incorporated. It is located at Sanai, Johor, Malaysia. The factory covers an area of 11,000 square meters and has 3 production lines focusing on the 3 vital elements of life: sunlight, air, and water. The company specializes in indoor garden systems, air purifiers, water purifiers, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, portable air conditioners, beauty and personal care products, and other environmental appliances and healthcare products, with an annual production capacity of 8 million units. The predecessor of IHastek, Zhengzhou Wenlida Electrical Appliance Company Limited, was established in 1999. The journey of exploring environment-friendly products has been set sail since then, leading IHastek to keep moving forward. Over 20 years of industry accumulation, IHastek has created an experienced research and development team. IHastek always puts technology research and innovation in the first position of enterprise development. Through a rigorous research and development organization, advanced equipment, and huge amount of investment, IHastek focuses on production process control. At present, the highly automated production line has fully introduced the IDS full traceability system to realize the traceability of all product raw material sources, product batches, and operating equipment process information. Relying on digital and industrial Internet of Things technology, it makes the production more flexible and efficient, safer and more reliable. While realizing the high automation of the production line, it takes into account the adjustability and quickly responds to customers' massive orders to ensure excellent product quality. Through technological innovation in big data, artificial intelligence, and digital simulation, they continuously upgrade products to lead the development of healthy products in the green fields of sunlight, air, and water. IHastek has always taken create healthy living for human being as its mission, and to be China's largest intelligent manufacturing company for health products as its vision. We believe Zhengzhou IHastek Incorporated will be the best partner for your rapid growth.